Hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo and I make bag making tutorials and some hair accessories. Today I'm going to show you how to make a double zip pouch. This is a simple pouch that can be used to carry your hand sanitizers, face masks, lip gloss, keys, cards, you name it. And it's small enough to fit into your handbag. Make a few back and forth stitches 1/4 inch above the top of the zipper stop to hold the zipper tip closed at the top. All the material and cutting instructions will be down in the description. Let's prepare the zippers. There will be 4 sets of zipper tabs for the 2 zippers, 2 sets longer than the other 2. You will fold your zipper tab in half, bringing together the short ends, wrong sides together. Open the tab and press the raw ends in towards the crease. Fold in half again. The raw edges are now hidden inside. Press. The tab now measures 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. Prepare the second tab in the same way. Open the zipper tabs made in step 1 and place them at each end of your zipper, enclosing the zipper tip and keeping tab ends close to the zipper stop as possible. Stitching in place using a 1/8 seam allowance. Stitching in place 1/8 from the edge of the tab, being careful not to sew over the metal zipper teeth. Measure down 1 3/4 inches down from the top edge of the front external piece and draw a line horizontally and cut, creating 2 pieces, one that is 9 1/4 by 1 3/4 and the other is 9 1/4 by 3 1/2. Let's prepare the zipper pocket. Place the 9 1/4 by 3 1/2 portion of the exterior front panel right side up on your work surface. Prepare your zipper and place your zipper right sides down along the top edge of the panel. Pin and baste the zipper in place. Place one of your fabric B, which is the 6 1/4 by 6 inches pocket lining panel, right side up on your work surface. Place the prepared fabric A front exterior panel right sides down on top of the zipper, creating a sandwich making a sandwich with the zipper between the panels. Align the top edges, clip and sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and a zipper foot. Pull both panels away from the zipper in the same direction and press and top stitch using a 1/8 seam line. Bring the bottom edge of the pocket lining to the top of the zipper and baste in place using 1/8 seam allowance. Align the sides of the pocket lining edges and baste. Place the remaining 9 1/4 by 1 3/4 portion of the exterior front panel along the top edge of the zipper, right sides together, pin, clip and stitch along the edge. Press the panel away from the zipper and top stitch along the zipper seam using a 1/8 seam allowance. Trim the entire stitch panel down to 9 1/4 by 5 inches tall. Trim away any excess fabric from the bottom of the panel only. Okay, now let's install the main zip. Place the exterior panel face down and place the zip at the top edge. Pin and baste in place. Place the lining and exterior panel right sides together. Pin and sew using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull the lining and exterior panel away from the zip. Press and top stitch 1/8 from the zipper edge. Now it's time to assemble your bag. Open the main zip halfway, align the exterior panels and pin right sides together. Do the same for the lining panel, leaving a 4-inch opening at the bottom of your lining for turning. Sew all around using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Trim the corners to reduce bulk and turn your bag right side out. Stitch the opening closed and give your bag a final press. And voila, you're done. You've completed your double zip pouch. I hope you are inspired to make this pouch, and check out my other videos in the description and the top right of your screen. There are lots more bag making tutorials for you to enjoy. I also have a tutorial showing you how to make the mask that was in the double zip pouch, so you can check that out. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment if you have something to say. See you in my next video.